Xolani, the chef who paid Lobola for Mpumelelo's baby mama Vuyokazi. He have got an interview for Gogo Scotten's platform at YouTube. But Gogo Scotten, she was not there because that interview, guys, the people will want answers about the Vuyokazi's, the Lobolo, what, how they separate with Vuyokazi. But it does, guys, sometimes other interviews, you understand, you have to ask questions, you understand, like Gogo Scotten, but it was not Gogo Scotten was at interview, you understand, because we want more answers about Vuyokazi, because most of the people, they were expected more about Xolani, because we want to hear what happened about Xolani and Vuyokazi, how they separate. But that girl, she was not asking questions, deeper questions, you understand, because now we want, it was trending now, because he was not asking him many questions about Vuyokazi, their relationship. You understand? Because we want to know their relationship. Because sometimes, what is an interview? You understand? They were talking, guys. Sometimes, when you are interview a person, we had an interview with a person, we have to ask him what happened, because the people were expected answers for Xolani, how they separated with Vuyokazi. So most of the people, they want to know. You understand? We want to know, guys. Maybe it was Gogo Scotten was at interview. Maybe she was asking him. You understand? That girl, she was not asking him question. Maybe the conversation that he didn't want to ask him many questions at interview. We don't understand, because guys, that interview was not deeper. Understand? People who want to know what happened about their Lobolo negotiation, because it end up with in air with Vuyokazi. We don't know what happened, how they separate. You understand? Because he says if Vuyokazi, she doesn't want to stay with him. I don't understand. You understand what happened? But people was expected more about that interview. People were expected more about that interview. So, guys, sometimes when you have interview, Gogo Scotten, you have to interview a person on your own. You understand? Because some of the people, you can send a person to interview a person. You understand? Sometimes that doesn't make any sense, because people were expecting more answers. You understand? People was expecting more answers about that interview. We're expecting more, but that interview, guys, was guys, it was not good. We don't not like